Yes, last video intro sucks. I know. So this time, no intro. Hey, today I'm gonna draw Superman in comic art style. Wait and see what goes on. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art of Tej. This is Tej. If you like art videos and drawing videos and art challenges, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon beside it. Coming to today's video, I am not so knowledgeable of Superman. I know he is a man with a red underwear, blue dress, red cape and S logo from another planet, Krypton or Kryptonian something. One thing I know is stronger in DC universe. I have watched Man of Steel and Justice League. I am familiar of name Superman from my childhood. In my childhood, there are only two superheroes for me: Spider-Man and Superman. Peter Parker, he made our days then. Spider-Man, we used to climb the walls and feel like Spider-Man and jump from the walls by tying the capes around our neck and see it is flying or not, to feel like Superman. It used to be fun in those days. We used to have fun with no tension, but now if we had fun, we used to think about the future. This is all messed up generation, right? Okay, and nowadays children are not enjoying so as we used to enjoy in our days. They always sit with the mobiles, TVs, and watch cartoons, or something like that. Yes. Okay, coming to today's drawing, it is turning good. I like the head of Superman, which turned out well, and I think the right side of Superman, I mean the left hand of the Superman, didn't turn well. I messed it up. I started with basic flying force with normal triangle. I started with basic anatomy of shapes and all. I drew Superman because I drew Batman, because they are rivalries and friends. Superman versus Batman, and in Justice League he brings him back from the dead and they became friends, right? And that is up for today. There's nothing more to talk. I'm not so knowledgeable of this Superman, Batman, and all these heroes. If I create characters, I would create a whole world around them. I like creating characters and all. If you like such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget it. So you will be seeing more of my videos. I'll be making them in future. More character drawings, building world around them, and making them challenges, making like the fighting scenes, drawing them the fighting scenes and all. And this is up for today's video. And now enjoy the video, guys. Hey, don't forget to like, share and comment, and make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to get notified. Thank you for watching, and meet you in another video.